Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about Sally Beauty Holdings Inc. quarterly report. Sally Beauty Holdings Inc. offers a wide range of businesses and services to cater to the beauty industry. The company operates two main segments, Sally Beauty Supply and Beauty Systems Group. The Sally Beauty Supply segment provides various products for retail customers, salons, and salon professionals, including hair color and care products, skin and nail care products, styling tools, and other beauty items under well-known brands such as Wella and L'Oreal. This segment also offers company-operated stores, digital platforms, and franchised units in several countries. The Beauty Systems Group segment caters to professional beauty professionals by offering hair color and care products, skin and nail care products, styling tools, and other beauty items under brands like Paul Mitchell and Wella. This segment operates through its professional-only stores, e-commerce platforms, sales force, and franchise stores under the Armstrong McCall name. In addition to these segments, Sally Beauty Holdings, Inc. also distributes its products through various channels, including full-service/exclusive distributors and open-line distributors. The company's global presence spans several countries in North America, Europe, and South America, making it a leading player in the beauty industry. Unfortunately, I don't have access to the text you provided. However, I can still provide a general overview essay on what could cause a stock price to skyrocket. The stock price of Sally Beauty Holdings, Inc. has seen significant growth in the past year, and there are several factors that may be contributing to this trend. One possible reason is the company's strong financial performance, including increased revenue and profitability. This can be attributed to various business strategies implemented by the management team, such as expanding product offerings, improving operational efficiency, and investing in digital marketing. Another factor that could be driving the stock price up is the growing demand for beauty products and services. The beauty industry has experienced significant growth in recent years, driven by increasing consumer spending on personal care and cosmetics. Sally Beauty Holdings, Inc.'s position as a leading distributor of professional beauty products may have positioned it well to capitalize on this trend. Additionally, the company's efforts to enhance its e-commerce platform and improve customer experience may also be contributing to its stock price growth. By making it easier for customers to shop online and access their favorite products, Sally Beauty Holdings, Inc. is likely attracting new customers and increasing sales. Lastly, the overall market conditions and investor sentiment may also be playing a role in the company's stock price growth. If investors are optimistic about the beauty industry as a whole, they may be more willing to invest in companies like Sally Beauty Holdings, Inc., driving up the stock price. Overall, the combination of strong financial performance, growing demand for beauty products and services, improved e-commerce capabilities, and favorable market conditions may have all contributed to the significant growth in Sally Beauty Holdings, Inc.'s stock price over the past year. The income statement shows that the company revenue have been declining annually and operating income have not been increasing. This shows that the business is under pressure with rising cost and its management is unable to expand the business. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline can be identified through an analysis of the company's performance across different segments. Revenue growth is primarily driven by the Sally segment, where net sales increased in 2025 compared to 2024, with a notable increase in hair color revenue and e-commerce sales. The consolidated net sales also saw a positive impact from changes in foreign currency exchange rates, contributing to an overall increase of $5.3 million. On the other hand, revenue decline is attributed to the BSG segment, where net sales decreased in 2025 compared to 2024, with only a marginal increase in hair color revenue. Additionally, both the BSG and Sally segments experienced a decrease in comparable sales, indicating a slowdown in growth across these segments. The net income of a company underwent significant changes between 2024 and 2025. Specifically, it decreased by $15,456,000 from $61,013,000 to $45,557,000, representing a decline of 25.3%. This substantial drop in net income is a cause for concern. The profit margins also experienced fluctuations during this period. While the gross margin increased by 40 basis points to 51.2%, the operating margin decreased by 260 basis points to 8.1%. Unfortunately, the information provided does not offer any explanation for these changes in net earnings and profit margins. The company's financial performance indicates a significant improvement in its ability to generate positive operating cash flow. A comparison of the 3 months ended December 31, 2025 and 2024 reveals a substantial increase from $33,457 to $93,239. This notable rise suggests that the company is effectively managing its operations and generating sufficient cash to meet its financial obligations. The increase in net cash provided by operating activities indicates a strengthening of the company's financial position, which is a positive sign for investors and stakeholders. The company's debt level and interest expenses have undergone significant changes over the past year. In terms of debt level, a decrease in long-term debt from $861,974 to $842,531 was observed, indicating a reduction of $19,443. Furthermore, total liabilities decreased by $38,696,000, demonstrating a substantial decline in overall debt. Regarding interest expenses, there has been a notable decrease. In 2025, interest expenses dropped by 42% compared to the previous year, from $7,648 to $4,442. Additionally, interest expenses saw a minus 16.1% change, indicating a significant reduction. Although there was an initial increase of $0.2 million due to debt extinguishment loss, it was later offset by a net gain of $0.3 million. Overall, the company's efforts have led to a decrease in both debt level and interest expenses, suggesting improved financial management and reduced costs. The performance of various segments and regions has been analyzed based on the extracted summaries. In terms of growth, 2 segments stood out as performing well. The Sally segment showed significant improvement in its market share. The percentage of customers opting for hair color products increased from 40.5% in 2024 to 43% in 2025. Additionally, the e-commerce channel experienced a notable increase, rising from 7.9% in 2024 to 9.5% in 2025. The BSG segment also demonstrated growth, albeit at a slower pace compared to the Sally segment. The market share of hair color products within this segment increased from 40.1% in 2024 to 41.6% in 2025. Management's outlook suggests a focus on refining the company's financial reporting. Over the next 12 months, they anticipate reclassifying certain losses from accounts outstanding and claims liability, AOCL, to either cost of goods sold, COGS, or interest expense. This adjustment is expected to result in a net reduction of approximately $0.7 million in reported losses. The company's financial activities have been focused on share buybacks rather than dividend payouts. According to the provided information, the company has repurchased shares in both 2024 and 2025, with payments made totaling $20,757 in 2025 and $9,948 in 2024 for common stock repurchased. This indicates that the company's priorities lie in reducing its outstanding share count rather than distributing profits to shareholders through dividends. That concludes the financial summary for Sally Beauty Holdings Inc. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.